Hiya, it's Andy from Cream and Whiskers. How are ya? It's a midweek review. Today I'm going to be reviewing this. It's the Bluebeard shampoo. And why am I reviewing it? Well, I'll tell you why. Years and years ago, I used to have like a scale on my head. It used to be like, it wasn't dandruff. I used to get a red mark all around here. And then my head used to be red raw and really itchy. I don't know, scratching like anything to do it. I tried everything from tea gel to anti-dandruff to coal tar, the lot. And for some unknown reason, nothing ever worked. It's a 250ml bottle. Alright, originally it used to come in a concave with a white top. It isn't, it's plastic. The spout on it is like that. And the scent of it is, it's not chemical, it's an old barbery smell. You know when you walk into a barber and the doors are shut, you walk in, you got that smell, you got different smells of shampoos and different aftershaves going on, and that's what that smells like. There is no chemical smell to that. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my hair, show you what it looks like on me, show you what the lather looks like. We'll come back, we'll review it and we'll go from there. Follow. I'm in the bathroom, as you can see, but I normally do everything else. I'm going to wash my hair, and so I'm going to use this. I'll show you what it looks like on my head, give you a feel, give you what it's like, and then we'll finish the review. Be back in 1 second. In fact, you can watch. There you go. Oh. Right, you need about, I've got about, I don't know, and that, my dear boys and girls, is what it looks like, looks on your head. There you go. Really give it into the scalp. Alright. Well, I've got a lot of hair there, and that's what it looks like, you know. You know what it looks like on the back. You can wash. Right. Let me wash my hair again. There you go. See that? It's called Mr. P. Back, washed the box, done that. There was a nice lather that came out of it. The smell is still in your head. It's made my hair actually really, really soft. It does make your hair soft. It helps. Well, it's always helped me, as I say. You can see there's no scale in that, and it does. It's remarkably soft for man's shampoo. There's a conditioner, but I've never tried that. I can say I've never tried it. This is for $2.50, it's $9.99 from their website, okay? That doesn't include postage. If you want postage, that's £4 per order. So I would say, stick a few other bits in there, like a conditioner, some shaving soap, some razors, maybe a towel. Stick it all in one box, about 3 to 4 days, because it's all by Royal Mail. So it's about 3 to 4 days, and you'll get your parcel. They do send abroad. The only thing they don't send abroad is the after-shaving cologne, due to the fact that Royal Mail in the UK do not allow you to send alcohol through the post. I'll leave everything down below for you to read and have a look at. Bluebeard shampoo, there it is again. As I say, you can pick it up on their website. It's second class post, it's £4. They have a brilliant website. It's really easy to go around, pick what you want, get in your box, send it out once you've filled your name and address and all that. You can pay by PayPal or a card. I'll leave everything down there for you. Get in there, get ordering. It's helped me out on my scale. On that, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, and any comments you know where to leave them by now. And also, give me a thumbs up. I don't know what it's supposed to do, no one tells me, but a thumbs up would be perfect. Thank you. I've been Andy from Cream and Whiskers, and I'll see you Sunday for another Sunday shave. See you later. Bye.